Hey everybody, Heather from Hooked on Pickin. Well, we have these two pallets here. We started opening all of that, and we pretty much know what all is on this pallet. So if you haven't gotten a chance to watch the pallet unboxing, make sure you go check it out. All right, we are going to finish up this pallet. We only took just a few boxes off the top, which we showed you yesterday. And so we're going to actually finish doing the remainder of all of this pallet today, hopefully. We spent $3,200 on both of the pallets, so each pallet is about $1,600. The MSRP, that's the word I was looking for, the MSRP or the retail price when it went on the shelf brand new was around $10,000 for all of the products that we had in these two pallets. So let's see how much money we can make and what the cool stuff is in this pallet. Alright, we're going to go ahead and just pull some of these boxes down and see what we have inside of them. Oh, this is not sealed very tight, is it? Oh, here's more of these. So we have a bunch of these gold polyester throw blankets. Really cool looking. 50 by 60. And we have them priced at, we've already got some on the store because of last pallet unboxing, $14.99. That's what these are. So you can go straight to Hooked on Pickin, go to the kitchen and home category and find these. We've
sold several, but we think we've got, what did you say, 188?
Yes.
188 throw blankets, everybody.
Yes. So buy a bunch. All right. What is in this? We're going to just open it right here. Cut away from you, Heather. Look, I actually used that properly this time. All right. Ooh, hey, awesome. We had found some of these last time we opened a box.
And they already sold out.
All sold out. And so now we'll be able to replenish 3 more on the store. So these are Trend Ease Bouncer baby toys, and they have a little vibrator and music and stuff like that to put the baby to sleep.
Cool.
So,
well, Heather's putting that back. We got contacted yesterday by a company.
Yes.
That is has an app, some kind of one of those little games you play, and looks like they're going to turn Heather into one of the characters on that game.
So we're gonna talk to them, find out exactly how.
Sounds really cool.
And it's a free game you download, like through the Play Store or your, or the.
Yeah. It was neat.
Yeah.
I'm kind of excited about it. I want to see what they're going to do with your character.
That'd be fun. The Hooked on Pickin character.
Well, it's going to be the Heather character. So it's going to be
the Hooked on Pickin Heather character. They need to have a Heather and Paul character, I feel like. That'd be cool. All right, what else? Oh, okay, more of these. Awesome.
Cool. Very cool.
We needed to get some more of these.
Yeah, we did.
They sold out so fast.
I was really shocked how fast the stuff's selling. Everything's been selling so quickly.
What do we have that one priced at? I don't remember.
Like $19.99 or something like that.
Yeah. Is that more of them? Yep.
Boom. Beautiful condition, too.
Yeah,
which is really nice.
All right. I'm going to have to get the ladder for some of this stuff because, well, should we just look into this?
What's up there?
What in the world?
What is that?
It is a gray plastic something or other.
Is that an envelope? No, that's just a piece of cardboard.
This is very flexible, whatever it is. So, let me,
so where are we going here? That way?
Yeah.
Careful cutting into it.
I'm just pulling it up high.
It's nice it's already in a sealed package, whatever it is.
Yeah. Something from Minecraft.
Oh, yeah. Look at that.
It's a TNT rug. I feel like I want to open up one.
This is awesome.
Can I open up one? I'll repackage it.
Oh, of course. Yeah, do it.
I want to see the whole. I want to see how big it is.
We might be able to put one right down here on the floor. That's my foot, everybody.
All right. Ooh, it's super soft.
Is it really?
Yeah, it's actually pretty soft. It's like durable soft.
Oh, yeah. It is nice. That's nice.
Yeah.
I can see that like in a kid's room or a gaming room or...
All right. Okay, ready? A big reveal.
Oh my goodness, this thing is huge. You could carpet your whole house.
Do I have it right?
I think so. Go ahead and throw it down on the floor. Let's see what it looks like down there. Look at that.
It's a big TNT block.
That is awesome.
Explosions.
This is cool.
That's super cool.
I mean, look how big it is. It's huge.
It is huge.
There's Heather. There's the rug.
52 inches by 52 inches is what it says. It's this perfect square.
That's awesome.
That is cool. And the thing that I like about it too, look, rubber on the back. So it's going to be
not going to slide everywhere.
Yeah.
And it's official Minecraft too.
It is official Minecraft.
That's cool.
Yep.
Nice.
It's super cool.
I could see that where I know our kids are getting older, but they still will watch Minecraft videos.
Yeah. They probably wouldn't mind one of these in there.
They might not.
We have this like teen hangout room.
Yeah.
I bet they'd want it in there.
That is cool.
That is cool.
So now this whole thing is filled with them, aren't they?
Does it have, let me see. There's 2. So 1 on top, then 2, then 3, then 4, 5. There's 6.
6 of them.
6 of them. We're going to put that on the hookedonpickin.com store. So
oh my goodness.
Go straight there.
I didn't even know Target sold something like that, you know?
I didn't know either.
And sometimes I wonder if these are coming from stores. I know they are, but I wonder if it's like an online sale.
Maybe.
So, because I saw a pallet last night that had massage chairs, like $800 massage chairs.
And when do you ever see $800 massage chairs in a department store?
Yeah.
Okay.
Maybe they are. I just haven't been.
Same thing in this box.
This is awesome. I think that's great.
So that's like 12 so far. And then, wait, what
Look
did
at the
these
number.
say?
The number might tell you.
Is that the same thing?
553. Here, see if you can read this down here.
Well, it's going to be on the side. I'm reading. This is the side of the box. So what is the side of this box say?
Right
so
there.
This says vendor item 16425.
Yeah, that's it.
16425. So that's what's this one, this one, this one, and that one are all Minecraft rugs, 6 apiece. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times 6 is 36. So we have 36 Minecraft rugs that we can see.
These are also going to be the potentially the box stacked on the bottom. You know, like 2 stacks.
Yeah. So are they 2 deep? Look. Let's see. We have more back there.
Or are they 3 deep?
We have a bunch.
That might be different there.
So we know we have more than 36, probably.
Fantastic.
All right, I'm going to get the, that's awesome. Minecraft rugs. All right, so I'm going to grab the ladder. We're going to try to get some of this miscellaneous stuff off the top.
Yep.
And see what else we got.
While she's doing that, the pallets, I know I've got a bunch of old boxes that we just been unboxing stuff, and I throw them back there. Sometimes we use these to ship, and sometimes they go to recycle or whatnot. These boxes we're finding here, I was just trying to get her ladder in place, but these boxes are really good for storing stuff. So I've been storing different things in that. And then below here are
2 bulk pallets.
Bulk pallets, yes.
Of home decor. I think.
Home decor bulk pallets.
All right.
She's moving up in the world.
I am moving up in the world. I think I might know what this is, but I'm going to open it anyway. It looks like, yep, exactly what
More throw blankets?
More of the... It's hotter up here. Right, because there's a
heat rises?
Right there. Yeah. Yes, more throw blankets.
Boom. There you go.
So we got more of those. All right.
Good deal. Graceful.
And we've got 2-tier...
These things got ripped bad.
Hold on. I'm really hungry. Just ate the box.
Heather just ate the box.
So it's a 2-tier garment rack. Here and here. This one will probably we're going to check and make sure all the pieces are there. Make sure it's not all broken. But it doesn't look like it. It just looks like the box got
something hit the side of this.
Yeah.
Or that might have been like pallet damage in the store, and then, something like that happens.
Yeah.
They're not going to be able to sell that.
So we'll check these out. Generally what we do with broken boxes is we sell them on the fire sale. So people kind of walk in eyes wide open with the condition. When you buy stuff off Hooked on Pickin', most of the time it's in new condition.
Yeah.
So this is really cool. Great for like a laundry room.
Yeah.
So we got a couple of those.
You know what? Honestly, that just gave me an idea for our laundry room.
We need something for our
We
laundry
should.
room.
We should set something up like that.
Because it's ridiculous. All right, what's this? These are, looks like...
A lot of these are chewed up pretty good.
Well, this one's actually not too bad.
The boxes, though, I mean.
Yeah.
Something happened there.
So here's a nice curtain rod.
Yeah.
So that box is good. These are probably going to end up going Facebook Marketplace or our retail space.
Yeah, really hard to ship.
Yeah, because of the length of the box.
And United States Postal Service is doing some goofy things already this year.
Size of the box, so we've been trying to ship a lot.
We've had a couple issues with that, which makes no sense.
This says table lamp.
Table lamp?
You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to set this down here. I'm going to come down and I'm going to actually open it and see what it looks like. Because it's completely enclosed.
That doesn't look like it's not in its is it in its original box?
I don't know.
I don't know if
yeah, because it's
okay. It is in its original box.
My concern with the box being a little bit squished is it still intact?
Yeah.
So I'm just going to try to pull it out here. I'll probably never get it back in this box. Oh. All right.
Cool if it was a Minecraft lamp or something.
That would be cool.
Like a huge creeper?
Yes.
Huge creeper lamp? Or what is it, where they have Endermen and, I don't know,
we'll be able to get this out.
zombie pigmen.
The struggles of Heather Hooks from Hooked on Pickin. How long does it take her to get the box open? I don't know that I can get this out. Stuck somehow.
Like taped in there?
The tape is stuck to the side of the box.
It's okay. We'll just watch it struggle.
Okay, there we go.
What is this thing?
Oh, it's like one of those pivot ones. See how it has like the arm? Yeah. Like I said, I'm never going to get it back in the box again.
Well, with it being opened, it's probably good just to set it up and maybe even test it if we can. We got some light bulbs there behind you.
Yeah?
They got returned to us from Amazon. They said they were defective. I don't think they were defective. I think somebody just didn't want to...
You want to try it out?
Why not?
Okay.
Well, it's clearly new because all of this stuff is still intact just fine.
Okay, I've got an extension cord.
Now that outlet over there is not real great.
No, it's not.
You know what I mean?
Well, and I don't want to have to reach in. I'll knock something over. I do have an extension cord. I'm going to stretch over this way.
Okay.
Let me put the light bulb in first.
And hopefully those light bulbs are good.
I think they're fine.
I think they're fine, though. We're going to find out if Amazon people were right or wrong, too, on my light bulbs.
All right. Bring the extension cord over.
It's a nice lamp.
Yeah, I like the little swivel aspect of it where you can kind of make it positioned wherever you
I'm
want.
guessing we'll have to sell it on the fire sale because of the box condition and everything.
Yes, and I'm going to try to put it back in a lot better.
A nice lamp.
Back together.
Did it have its shade with it or no?
No, I don't think so.
Oh, see? Bam. Light bulb works.
Yep.
Bad Amazon, bad.
That's cool. I don't think it had a shade, no.
That might be an issue, too. Why don't we scan the box and see if it was supposed to come with a shade, maybe?
Okay. Let me turn the light off. There's it again.
No, I think you're fine.
Okay.
Nice base. It's got some weight to it. It's a nice lamp. Extendable. Kind of a basic, just...
Yeah. Match anything. Alright. See if it'll scan this barcode. It's kind of faded. I have to type in the number. There it goes. Actually took it. And it's not on there.
Oh, really? Okay.
Yeah, we'll have to check. Hold on, another barcode here. Let's see.
I mean, maybe it didn't come with a shade, but I mean, it's set up for a shade, so I don't know why it wouldn't have one.
Yeah.
So
we'll have to look.
Unless the shade's on here somewhere, but I doubt it.
Yeah.
I would assume that the shade should have come in the box with it, but...
Well, okay, so it's got the little... It's missing the little harp thing.
So maybe not, then,
so
maybe?
maybe it doesn't come with a shade. I don't... We'll scan the picture and see whether or not it does. But at least we know it works.
Yep.
So I'm going to go ahead and plug this. Set it to the side so we don't break it. And now we know those work.
Coming to a fire sale near you.
Yes, coming to a fire sale near you. All right. What else we got on there? I see some washcloths.
Bunch of stuff on the back side of that pallet.
Well, I'll be able to reach. Watch me just spider monkey over the Minecraft.
You are a good spider monkey.
Yes, I am a good spider monkey. All right, so we've got... Hey, these match our towels.
Washcloths?
Yeah, they're the exact same color as the towels we have.
I wonder if we have like tons of these or something.
That'd be awesome. Our towels are going like hotcakes.
They are. We're down to
8 towels. We're down to like 7.
Yeah.
Of course,
Isn't that crazy?
We priced them for $2 a piece.
Yeah.
So, ooh, I wonder. Oh, that's the same barcode. Okay. All right. This is. Let's see. It's very warm way up here. It's shocking.
Way up there?
Way up here. Listen, I don't know what it's like to be tall.
Yeah.
All right. Okay, more of those baby seats.
Oh, really? Oh,
yeah.
Okay, it is a long one like that. Okay,
Yep.
great.
I know, I felt like the box was a different shape.
Yeah, me too.
So, okay, then we're going to go ahead and grab this white and black one. I think we've opened something like this before. But
Yep.
we
Check
did
the
it on
color and all that.
Yeah, we did it on another video, and so you wouldn't have seen it on this video yet. So we're just going to show you. Yep.
Awesome.
These are booster seats. Comes with a tray, comes with a back, and it straps to the chair.
Perfect.
So,
yeah, we were out of those too.
Yep, we sold out of these.
I think we had 4 last time we did a video on it.
Okay, so we have this one and another one right here.
Great.
We've got 2 of those.
Looks like same color, as far as you can tell.
9993. Yes, same tote on them.
Great.
All right. That's a lot of cool stuff on here. I'm trying to see if there's anything different.
That'd be a lot of Minecraft rugs. Go ahead, look at her.
I'm taking my life into my hands.
Just climbing a pallet.
Yes.
Well, you're not going to break the rugs, but...
Yeah. Okay, everything else literally are boxes this size.
Okay.
So I think it's all Minecraft rugs, the rest of it.
That is awesome.
I know, I'm super excited. So we've got some curtain rods, we got some garment racks, which we'll probably be keeping ourselves because the boxes are trashed.
Yeah.
And we need to make sense of our laundry room. And then we've also got the baby chairs, the booster seats. What else did we pull off of this? Oh, the throw blankets, the gold.
Yep, the lamp.
Throw blankets and the lamp. So I think that's it. You can go straight to Hooked on Pickin, find all of these items because we're going to list them before this video even goes live. So you can go straight to hookedonpickin.com, go to the home and kitchen category. They're all going to be in the home and kitchen category. But if you have not recently been to the health and beauty section, which is a new section in our store, check it out. We have tons of amazing things at super steep discounts. So hopefully you had fun. And of course, remember in the end, Jesus wins.
You guys are a true blessing in my life. Thank you so much for helping me put this content out there to everyone. If you'd like to join these great people, please consider supporting me through my Patreon page. Check the link below. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, just click on them here. And if you'd like to learn more about the reseller world, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks.